Are you looking for a new way to enjoy your watermelon? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a Korean watermelon punch that I grew up having as a little kid called 수박화채. It is so easy to make, but it's refreshing and it's sweet and you literally drink it and it's so good. Now watch to the end because I'm going to show you how to turn this into a watermelon soda drink and also to turn it into a soju cocktail with it. Yep, something for my kids and also for this mom. 오늘의 레시피, 추억의 간식, 수박화채 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Refreshing and just so sweet and delicious. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. So here I have a mini watermelon, but obviously use any size of your choice. So I'm gonna cut mine right in the middle and just make a clean cut like that. Look. So this one's a little bit bigger than this because I'm gonna use this as a bowl and you don't have to, but if you are gonna use this shell as your bowl, I want you to cut the bottom a little bit. It could just stand like that and not wobble. Now there are many ways to cut your watermelon. I mean, cut it the way you like it, but this is how I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it down here like this and make thick slices like that. And what I'm gonna do is just go in like so, turn it to this side and take out my watermelon like that. And do the same thing with this one. So once you are done removing the watermelon, what I want you to just do is cut it down like this and then kind of cut them into big cubes. Because these we're gonna freeze and use as our ice cube instead of the real water ice cubes. And for our watermelon punch, we're gonna cut them into sort of bite sizes. So we're gonna kind of cut them thin, so that when you pick it up, it fits perfectly into your spoon and it's one bite size. But you could literally cut it any shape or size you prefer. And then we're gonna put this in our mixing bowl or punch bowl and then just continue with the rest of the watermelon. And then with this one, I'm just going to go around like so. You could also use a melon ball, but I'm not. I'm just gonna go in with a spoon and take out pieces and put it in our blender. With this recipe, just the amount according to how much you wanna make. But roughly, we're gonna add about 3 cups of watermelon to our blender. Hollow out as much as you can without breaking the watermelon skin. So I'm just gonna crush the watermelon like so because I wanna fill it up to the 3-cup mark. And then we're gonna pour the rest in here. So the inside should look like that. You could use the watermelon bowl as is on a plate or in a small bowl, or you could place your watermelon bowl wrapped up and in the freezer the day before so it becomes an ice bowl. Here's the watermelon cubes. And again, this too, you could put it in the freezer the day before, so you could use that instead of water ice cubes. And we're gonna add 1 scoop of your finest vanilla ice cream to our 3 cups of watermelon. And we're gonna blend this on high speed and we're gonna liquefy this. I blended this for about a minute. You might need to go longer depending on the power of your blender. Here's the frozen watermelon bowl. So we're gonna pick up some of our bite-sized watermelon. And again, add as much as you want or as little as you want, it's up to you. I'm gonna add about that much. And then I'm gonna add some of our watermelon ice cream mixture. Does that look good or does that look good? About that much. If you like it sweeter, use some 7-Up or Sprite. For me, I like everything a little bit on the less sweet side. So I'm gonna add a little bit of club soda, just a little bit. Ooh, it's foamy because we just blended it. The foam will go away in about 5 minutes or so. Here is the frozen watermelon cubes that I put in the freezer yesterday. And I'm gonna use this instead of ice cubes because with ice, as it melts, it will dilute our delicious watermelon juice. Here I have some blueberries. I mean, you could add your choice of other fruits to this and turn it into a fruit cocktail. Sliced strawberries would be good. Just a few here and there like that. And then this is optional. I'm gonna garnish with fresh mint like that. And voila, this is ready. And you could also serve in a pretty glass bowl like this. And then top it off with some club soda or 7-Up. And optional garnish is fresh peppermint mint. Now make sure to check out my Watermelon Bingsu. That is Korean ice shaved dessert. You don't need an ice shaving machine to make this, so you could enjoy this at home. And the video will be linked below. To make our watermelon soda, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the frozen watermelon cubes. You could add this, at any ratio that you like. This is for my son, so he's gonna like it a little bit sweeter than me. So I'm gonna add it about a little over halfway. And again, because he likes it sweeter than me, I'm gonna add some 7-Up. Ooh, look at that fuzzy. There you have it, easy peasy watermelon fuzzy soda for my kid or anyone that loves non-alcoholic drinks. All right, I'm gonna push this to the side and here's my drink. So we have frozen watermelon cubes, and to this I'm gonna add less than half because I don't like my cocktails too sweet. So about that much. And to this we're gonna add 1 shot of cold soju. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna top it off with some club soda. Oh, that looks refreshing and yummy. And since this drink is for me, why not make it a little fancy like that? All right, so my son's been waiting patiently for his drink. Here you go, honey. One of the ways that I used to eat when I was a kid is just with a straw. The sweetness of the watermelon, but in a liquid format with that little bit of that, creamy vanilla ice cream taste. Refreshing and just so sweet and delicious. When I was a kid, we had this in a very humble way. It was literally just mixed with white sugar and ice cubes, and it would just melt, and then we would just drink it like that. But then this dish has evolved and people started adding milk and then adding Sprite to make it more, liquidy and more of a cocktail. Very, very good. The other thing is you just have it like this bite-sized watermelon. It's a different way to enjoy your watermelon, Cheers, everyone. Come back. You can't even taste the soju. It's so light and refreshing. So it's just like a subtle hint of watermelon with that club soda taste. The more you drink, you'll feel better. So next time you have a barbecue party at your house, make it in a big batch and let people self-serve. And it's such a great dish to put out for both kids and for adults. Just make sure the alcohol is separate. All right, so before you go, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and check out my soju recipes playlist. Yes, I actually have a separate video on watermelon cocktails and more. So I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you haven't done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.